G'day everyone, Average Alexis here, hoping you're having a good one. And while I'm on my reaction train videos for BTS, I realized I have not watched J-Hope's MV for Airplane or Daydream. If any of you have, you can probably see there's blue light coming up onto my face. That means the first one I picked to watch is Daydream, which has over 100 million views. Congratulations, J-Hope. But yeah, I've never heard J-Hope's mixtape, and I've never seen I'm just fiddling with closed captions. I've never seen this MV. I've seen the behind the scenes filming for it where the boys went and visited him. I've never heard this song. I'm sorry, I'm getting to it now, guys, but let's go and hope this works. Go away, ads. Fish? Yes, J-Hope. This is great. Hogwarts. Sorry. Okay. Sorry, I have to just pause this for a second. This beat is everything. Yes, J-Hope. I'm trying to watch the video and the lyrics at the same time, and it's confusing me, but obviously because of the title of the song, Daydream, he's talking about daydream. I'm not going to try and explain this. I'm going to get roasted in the comments if I get it wrong. The screen that I paused it on looks really funny. I'm sorry, J-Hope. This is really good though. I like this. Why have I never heard this before? What's wrong with me? This is so good. Is he on himself? Huh. I recognize that. Look at his hair, that looks so good. It's so colourful. That looks so good. Yes, J-Hope. Yes, J-Hope. Daydream. Yes, J-Hope. Oh, that bed looks cool. Daydream, daydream. Yes, J-Hope. Yes, J-Hope. His voice is so smooth. I'm sorry. I need to pause it again. I'm sorry. J-Hope's voice is so smooth. You're all so talented. And here I am, filming YouTube videos. God damn it. I wish I had even the slightest amount of talent that these boys have. They're amazing. Let's keep watching before I start crying. I don't know why I'm gonna cry. Ugh. This video is so good. How have I not seen this yet? Yes, J-Hope. Is he telling himself to wake up? So trippy. Airplane. Oh my god, okay. Wow. Wow. That was amazing. Okay, I'm gonna quickly react to Airplane by J-Hope as well, because I haven't seen that either, apparently. Oh my god, that was so good. Okay, let's get into the J-Hope Airplane MV. His hair all curly and crazy. Oh, I love it. Love it. J-Hope not my bias. J-Hope not my bias record, but he coming pretty close. God damn, that was good. Okay. Another ad. Okay. Oh my god, that view is gorgeous. What is this sound? Looks so good. J-Hope. Okay, I don't mean to pause it. J-Hope boy, get back in your lane. I already struggle enough with RM being my bias and then V being my bias record, but J-Hope boy, you need to sit down. Get back in your lane. Because I can't deal with another one of you. I'm okay. Okay. Don't look at me like that. Do you hear this? Oh my god. I can't decide what I like better, J-Hope's messy hair or J-Hope's straight hair. So good. You tell him, J-Hope. Just J-Hope. Sorry. Yes, boy. Gonna be the Mail. That's from Airplane Part 2. Is that the rap from Part 2? Well, obviously, Part 2 took this. Oh, I can't decide whether I like it slowed down or sped up. Yes, J-Hope. This is so pretty too. Yes, J-Hope! Overplay. How have I not watched this before? How have I not watched those before? What? What is wrong with me? What? What? Oh my goodness. That was amazing. Yes, J-Hope! Boy, stay in your lane. That was so good. How have I not watched either of those before? Visually stunning as all. I'm gonna take these off. Oh wow, I was talking really loudly. Sorry to my grandparents. Visually stunning as always. All BTS videos are visually stunning. I just... I want even a tiny bit of their talent. Please. J-Hope, please stay in your lane. I can't deal with being bias wrecked by more than one of you. Okay, V is enough. I don't need the rest of you to come creeping up that list, okay? That was so good. I love that. I don't know why I haven't heard those songs before. I don't know why I haven't seen those music videos before, but now I have. I'm gonna watch them 500 more times. Oh my god. That's a wrap for this video. Thanks heaps for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. Believe in yourself and be you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.